show's been absolutely excellent. Really impressed with the new facilities. Great contacts, great inquiries. Couldn't have asked for any better, really.
It's the first time we've been to this. It's really busy and really strong. And this is day one.
It's been a superb day for us. We meet people here that we wouldn't meet on a day-to-day basis, so it's great for new opportunities with new manufacturers, a real indicator of how buoyant British manufacturing is.
Fabulous atmosphere. It's great to see other exhibitors, a lot of people that are new to us with some exciting new projects.
We're exhibiting mainly the 3D printers here. We've got a good range of people that have shown interest in our products.
First time doing the show, we got over 20 inquiries and really positive.
Always great for us. We get to socialise with our peers, we get to see new customers and talk about our new products as well.
We'll certainly be back next year.
For sure, yes.
100%, yeah.
In fact, we might even do the one in the north as well.
We'll be looking to book the stand as soon as we can.
We'll definitely be here the next year, yes.